What's up, guys? My name is Elijah. I am one of the organizers at OraHacks. OraHacks is a community of dreamers. Everyone here is on a mission to build their skill sets, build their resume, get connected to people in their community, and get to the next level of their career.
We are trying to give back to our community by showing them what we've learned and being there for them while they're going through the idea generation process, tinkering with new ideas, and really bringing together their skill sets to build something new and grand, which is how we learned everything we did too, through experimentation. So I'd say that's what OraHacks really is. It's a place for people to get together, experiment, learn, and grow, and it's very much community driven.
I think the scene in technology in Chicago is really strong already. We had a presentation earlier today that was describing the potential future of technology in Chicago, and it looks incredibly bright.
Right now we are building a social media app for dreams. What it is an app where users can input their dreams and log their dreams for the day, and an image will be generated based around their dream, and then other users can see their dream.
Last year it was my first time to join with Hackathon with OraHacks, and it was their first time ever as well. And this year now I'm part of the organizing team.
Currently I'm working on building an insurance tech sort of a startup that helps other startups grow and achieve employee benefits at a very low discounted rates. I definitely wanted my idea to be validated, tested in public. So that is definitely a added benefit that I see. And apart from that, I think having fun and making connects with amazing people.
I joined OraHacks because my friends were joining it, and I was excited because it's my first hackathon, and I wanted to meet new people, network, and learn more about AI and Web3.
We had 14 wildly ambitious teams, 100% completion rate, which is very rare for a hackathon. That's 72 hours, an entire weekend. But at the end of the day, all of the judges had to come together, put our thinking caps together, and figure out who the 4 winners would be.
Last time around we had 15 students come to the hackathon. This time around we had a goal of 70. That's a very big jump. So it took a lot of work to get it done, and it took a tribe to get it done. So thank you to everyone that helped us out in making this happen.